Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about the weird part of JavaScript. You know the importance of JavaScript. Yes, JavaScript is a great language. It has a great community, and JavaScript has a many great frameworks. You know all about it, no doubt. And you can make anything with JavaScript. But today we will see and the other side of JavaScript, and that is a weird part. Actually, it's fun to know all about it, and you will feel it more if you have a background of other language as well at the same time, because you won't see the same thing in other language. But the first is concatenation of array. Here concatenation of array will return a string, and here you can see on screen there is a one array 1 2 3 4, and second one is 5 6 7 8, and you can see the result. It's just a string, and 4 or 5 is together because there is no comma between 4 and 5. And why this is like a string? So you can see next slide, and this is operating like this. You can see first one where we have taken two array, and how JavaScript operates. It's understood first one as a string, then second one as a string, then JavaScript just concatenate and give you the result as a string. Okay, now we will see the same in console. Okay, now we will see the same in console. Just open any JavaScript compiler and you can check. Let's say 1 2 concatenation of two array. We always expect we will get a array with concatenate of together, but here we got string. Okay, now coming to second part, and it's HTML comments in JavaScript. You can write the comment like HTML inside JavaScript tag, and it will not give any type of error. Actually, this was the case in previous browser. Previous browser doesn't understand JavaScript syntax, so previously people's write like HTML comment inside JavaScript, so that JavaScript will understand this is the comment. Okay, so you can write it right now as well. You can see this will just show you undefined, not any syntax error, and you can try it inside your script tag anywhere. Okay, so let's see .log, and here you can see this is just undefined. You can try it in any code base. You will get undefined. There is no syntax error, so this is acceptable inside JavaScript code. And it seems weird because we use oftenly this in HTML. Okay, for just commenting out the code. Now next is in JavaScript, if you will write like true plus true plus true, then you will get the result 3. And it's totally weird because if you know other language, then I am talking about, let's see, C language. In C language, if you will compare like true plus true plus true equals to 3, then it will give you error because you can't compare two different data types. Here you can see one is boolean and another is number type, and you can compare it in JavaScript, and it's a right statement because true plus true plus true will give you 3, and 3 equals to 3, and that's a true. So that is the case with JavaScript, and I am showing you before going to next slide. Here you can see true plus true plus true equals to 3, and here you can see the result. This is the true. Next is trailing commas in array. Here I have taken a array A, and you can see it's just an empty array with comma as a trailing. And when you will calculate length, okay, you can see a dot length, and it's a 3. And when you will see a dot 2 is string, you will just get 2 commas, and this is totally weird. You can check it out, guys. Okay, now next is NaN is not a number, and actually this is right. NaN is not a number, but when you will check type of NaN, and you can say it like nan or whatever type of NaN, then you will see it's a number, and that's totally weird. Okay, now next is comparison of three numbers. Here you can see 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, and it's true. And in next statement, 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1, you will get it as a false, because you know in JavaScript statement is evaluated, statement like this is evaluated from left to right, and in first case 1 is less than 2, that is true. Okay, and true means you will get 1, and again you will evaluate 1 is less than 3, and that is true. And in second statement 3 is greater than 2, that is right. Here you will get 1, and 1 is greater than 1, that is not right. Here you can write like 1 is greater than or equals to 1, then it will give you a true as a result. And that's what you can see as a second part. I mean, I have indicated with this arrow, and you can see what I have explained. Okay, the next is coming to funny math part, and it's also exciting to see how JavaScript operates on maths, and it's fun to see how JavaScript works for elements like numbers and strings. Here you can see 3 minus 1, it's 2, it's okay. 3 plus 1 is 4, it's okay. But when you will see 3 as a string minus 1, and it will give you result as a 2, that's totally weird. And it's something that is not acceptable in another language. And next you can see 3 plus 1, and it will give you the 3 1 as a result. And you can see the explanation part. Number plus number will give you addition, boolean plus number addition, boolean plus boolean addition, number plus string concatenation, string plus boolean concatenation, and string plus string concatenation. Okay, for this video this was the collection of weird thing of JavaScript. And you know, there is a lots of syntax that seems weird, and I will cover later all those parts. Hope for now you enjoyed this video, and guys, please check it out inside your browser, everything, and you will enjoy it, and at the same time you will like, oh, what's going on. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. And guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please like this video as well, and share this video with your friends. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.